Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2018 Freightliner Coronado glider kit midroof I'm going to show you today. It's got a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 355 gears. I've gotten it hot this morning, got it up to operating temperature, so I'm going to show you the oil pressure, blow by, do a full walk around for you. It's only got 290,000 miles. Hope you like it. Let's get to rolling. About 26 on the low side. Pops up there to 60 or so on the high side, so really good oil pressure both ways. Here's your 13 speed. It is the midroof. Got full cabinets in the back. Interior's really clean. Floor's clean. Seats are nice. Nothing to complain at on the interior side. Got an air ride front, which is really nice. Gives you a really good ride. Almost new Firestone steers. Engine's relatively clean. Body and paint's in really good shape on this one too. Bend out on your running boards on the passenger side here. Nothing major on a Coronado. Seems to be the case on a lot of them. No smoking out the stacks. You have a little oxidization on the chrome that's peeling in various areas on this, which again is pretty normal for a Coronado, but definitely need to be noted. It's the only actual body damage. That cab extender got a couple of cracks in the rivets. Frame rails are pretty clean. Got just a little bit of rust right there on that cross member, and a little bit on the fifth wheel, which is not bad. About 75% drive tires, all aluminum wheels. Rear end's clean. The inner frame rails are clean. Brakes are excellent. Got a little rubbing on the paint back there where your airlines have been hanging. Everything else looks really good. Appreciate you watching. If you got questions, you can call me 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.